So around 4 months ago, I made a Lumin review video after using it for 60 days. I did the same with Geologie. I used it for 60 days and made a video around a week ago. Hence, if you're interested in watching these videos individually, I'll have them linked down below. And in this video, I'd like to talk about Lumin versus Geologie, because I've used both products respectively for 2 months each, and in this video, I'd like to give my honest feedback and elaborate on my experience. If you are new to this channel and you'd like to see more videos in regards to men's grooming, please consider to hit the subscribe button and help your brother out, because I'm aiming for 10k subscribers, and therefore by you subscribing you really help the channel out. Anyways, with that said, let's jump into the video. Alright, as reference, I would like to go over the trial sets both of these brands recommend to their consumers. So if you go to the Lumin Skin website, they offer an exclusive free trial based on your skin requirements. I have the exclusive free trial linked down below if you're interested. The first set I would like to talk about is the classic maintenance set. This set is ideal for athletes, skincare beginners, younger guys and low maintenance guys. The charcoal cleanser gets rid of all of the dirt on your skin, and after using it, you generally feel your skin feeling much cleaner. Then you use the exfoliating rub to get rid of the excessive layer of oil to give your pores a deep clean. Followed by the moisturizing balm, which provides a protective layer to your skin after getting that deep clean. The age management set is for men that want to keep their skin integrity intact by restoring and maintaining their look. I recommend this set for men that are seeing some signs of aging or simply are over the age of 30, because the anti-wrinkle serum fights against fine lines and wrinkles. The correction trio set is one made for entrepreneurs and high-performing individuals. If you're someone that feels like that all of your hard work is having a toll on your skin, by using the charcoal cleanser, you get rid of all of that dirt on your skin. The moisturizing balm gives your skin that bright appearance, and the dark circle defense will prevent you from looking like a zombie due to the lack of sleep. After selecting the Lumin set, they ask you for your skin type. If you're someone with dry skin, select dry. If you're someone that has an oily forehead and nose, but dry cheeks, select combination. And if you're someone with extremely oily and greasy skin, select oily. Then put your age. For me it is 20 and you'll be good to go. All of the products in the Lumin trial sets are absolutely free. All you have to do is to pay for shipping, which is around $5. The Geologie skin regime is a bit different. You fill in the skin consultation. I have a link in my description which will provide you a free skin consultation, and therefore I definitely recommend you to try it out. And if you actually do decide to buy the product, by using the link you also get 30% off. My personalized regimen was regimen 32, made to prevent wrinkles, combat dark or puffy under eyes and protect skin from the sun. They give the option of essential set, which gives you the everyday face wash and repairing night cream. Or you can choose the complete set, which gives you 2 everyday face wash, 1 Phyto morning face cream, 1 repairing night cream and 1 nourishing eye cream. And I understand that you might be overwhelmed with all of the information that I've given to you so far in this video, but please stick with me till the end, because I will elaborate everything and everything will come together. When it comes to Lumin, they have 3 options based on your age and lifestyle. Geologie has 2 options since all of their regimens are customized to your needs. They provide an essential and complete set. So I'd like to talk about Geologie's claimed benefits and my opinion after using it for 60 days and then compare it with Lumin. They say that the repairing night cream helps you to accelerate cell regeneration, reduces scars and wrinkles, battles acne and keeps oily skin in check. And when it comes to the repairing night cream, it's definitely one of the better products, because initially when I tried it out for the first time, I noticed that there was something going on with my skin, but I couldn't necessarily tell what was happening. When I was using it in the first 2 weeks, I significantly noticed my skin getting worse before it got better. They recommend you to use it every other day in the first week for your skin to get adapted to it, and after that you can use it every day. After using it for 60 days, in my opinion, I definitely see it helps to reduce scars. I didn't have wrinkles at the time of using this product, and therefore I can't comment on it. In regards of acne, in my experience, I had a little bit of a reduction of it, although due to my busy schedule, it was negligible. However, I do believe that if you're someone that has experienced a lot of acne breakout, something that is never fun to have, if you're persistent with this product, because in my experience, it got worse before it got better, you can definitely see some great results. And another interesting thing about this product is that it instantly gave me a smooth and softer skin after using it for the first time. And when it comes to keeping your oil in check, it took me a little bit before I actually noticed some difference, but eventually this turned out to be true too. Moving on to the Phyto morning face cream. They claim it to be advanced hydration, something I don't agree with. It did hydrate my skin, however, it definitely wasn't advanced in my opinion. They say that it provides protection from the elements, and what they mean by this is most likely that it protects against pollution. The product also has an SPF of 10 to protect against UV. The Phyto morning face cream does make your skin a little bit more smoother, but in my opinion it isn't really worth it since the repairing night cream does a better job at this. Products like Get Mister do a better job against this since it has an SPF of 30 and is FDA approved. I've been testing out Get Mister lately, and therefore if you'd like to see a more in-depth review about this product, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I know this is a Lumin versus Geologie review video, but if you are someone that's looking for a moisturizer with an SPF of 30, because studies show that if you wear an SPF of 30 and higher, it reduces your chance of skin cancer by nearly 40%. And if you're interested in that particular product, I'll have it linked down below for you to check it out. Now, I would like to talk about the everyday face wash. A gentle cleanser that flushes away dirt and grime morning and night. One bottle for the sink and one for the shower. And let me tell you that I absolutely love the product. With the essential set, you get one bottle, while the complete set gives you 2. The product is alright when it is used outside the shower in the morning and evening before applying the cream. However, in the shower, it changes the game. I use the Lumin face scrubber, apply 2 pumps and use it on my face. I'm currently going for a lot of runs lately, and after sweating, I find it really convenient because I generally feel like that this product performs much better in the shower rather than outside of the shower. I'll talk more about the difference with Lumin later in this video, but the reason I find it so convenient is because I can pump the product into the face scrubber instead of getting it out of the tub like with Lumin. The first time I used it, I instantly noticed the salicylic acid doing its work. Great product in the shower and great product to fight against acne in my opinion. And finally, Geologie's last product, the Nourishing Eye Cream. The skin around your eyes is where a restless night tends to rear its head. So we add vitamin-rich ingredients for special care in this fragile area. The product is meant to tackle dark or puffy under eyes, but honestly, after using it for 60 days, the results weren't what I hoped for. So when it comes to Geologie, I love the essential set because that particular set provides the 2 products that I love the most, and those are the exact 2 products you need to tackle acne. The Vita Morning Face Cream isn't particularly bad, but I love the Lumin Moisturizing Balm a lot more, which I will talk more about in a bit. So overall, if you're someone that is looking for a personalized regime and is looking to tackle acne and you have used other products that haven't particularly helped you out with this, I recommend you to use the essential set because they provide you the exact 2 products that will allow you to tackle acne. The complete set is a bit more of an overkill in my opinion, but it does provide you 2 everyday face washes, something that I really love. But if you're someone that wants to try all of the products for yourself while also getting an everyday face wash, you might as well go for the complete set. Now I'd like to talk about Lumin. The charcoal cleanser is a product that I like to use to really clean my pores. I like this product more outside the shower, while I like the Geologie product more in the shower. I do also want to mention that less is more when it comes to the Lumin products. In the advertisements, they are literally using way too much product, which is bad for your skin and will dry it out. So please, when you're gonna use the charcoal cleanser, don't use excessive amounts of it. And if you're still not sure how much you should precisely use, just look at my 60 days of Lumin transformation video, and in that video I literally explain everything. The exfoliating rub is a product which has done wonders when you look at the 60 days Lumin transformation. But after your skin damage recovers, you barely have to use it. So initially it helps against acne scarring. However, after that I don't really need to use it. Every product has its own function and time, but at the moment I don't really have one for this product. Nevertheless, it has done wonders for me in the past, because if you look at those scars and wrinkles I used to have, it definitely had some impact on it. Therefore, if you're someone that would like to tackle this issue, I recommend it. And now I'd like to talk about my favorite product, the mother of all, Lumin's Moisturizing Balm. The subtle fragrance of this product makes it smell so good. It's the best non-SPF moisturizer I've ever tried, and if I'm correct, they told me that they're launching one with an SPF of 30 very soon. You literally have to use a tiny amount of this product and it provides you some shine and makes it extremely hydrated. Definitely the best product by far. Moving on to the final product, the Dark Circle Defense. This product has received the Men's Self Grooming Award. The product has a very sweet scent and has provided me better results than the Geologie one. Because when I was on vacation in Italy, we stayed up till late since there was constantly something going on in the evening. But even with some lack of sleep, I got some great results with this product. And I would like to give my opinion when it comes to these 2 brands. If you're someone that is a beginner and you're a little bit more cautious and you want to prevent getting acne, getting scarring, and simply want to take care of your skin, I would definitely recommend you to get Lumin, because obviously when it comes to the Lumin set, the first free trial is much cheaper than the Geologie set, and I know that most younger guys will be easier able to afford this set. Although the downside of the Lumin product is that you get it in a tub and it isn't particularly clear how much you should use it. But obviously you got me, and if you're still unsure, you can always check out my other video which will explain everything step by step, because when I was initially starting out to use Lumin, I did have to do some research to find out how to use the product in the best way. But regardless, it's a one-time thing you have to do, and after that you'll be good to go. And I would like to talk about a different type of person. If you're someone that has acne at the moment and you want to solve it, or if you're someone that wants to have a personalized skincare system, one that is designed for you to tackle your own personal problems, I would recommend you to get Geologie. Because the great thing about Geologie is that after you get this set, they provide you a lot of value and they constantly give you a lot of emails to let you know how to use their products in the best way. And the downside when it comes to this brand, and obviously this is my opinion because everyone will have some kind of different results when it comes to skincare, is that I didn't particularly like the Vitamin Morning Face Cream and the Nourishing Eye Cream. But regardless, you can still get the Essential set, which won't have those products, and therefore you simply don't pay for them. And I do also want to mention that skincare is quite subjective. So if something is working for me, it doesn't necessarily mean that it will work for you. And the same goes the other way around. If something didn't work for me, it doesn't necessarily mean that it won't work for you. So obviously, if you're someone that wants to get a personalized system, wants to tackle acne, I would recommend you to get Geologie. But if you're someone that is a beginner and you don't have any sort of big issue you want to tackle and you simply want to take care of your skin, I would recommend you to get Lumin. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm thinking about making more videos in regards of skincare, since most of you guys absolutely love those videos. So definitely let me know in the comments down below. And once again, thank you so much for watching. I'm aiming for 10k subscribers, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider to hit the subscribe button and help your brother out. Leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and that sums it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.